Hello, this is episode 5, and today we will be making the best cookies in the world. My nanny's peanut butter cookies. And my mom doesn't know this, but we are going to make them special. We're going to make them gluten-free for my mom. And they're going to be good. So for the cookies we will need 1 cup of butter, 1 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 egg, 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. So we will be using a mixer in the oven in order to make the cookies, so make sure you have a grown-up helping you out. Safety. Okay, so we are going to be putting our wet ingredients in the big bowl first, and then we are going to mix them up before putting our dry ingredients in. Okay, so now that we have all our wet ingredients in the bowl, we have to mix them. But make sure you have a grown-up doing this one. Pass it on to you. Okay, so now that our wet ingredients are now mixed, we are going to mix our dry ingredients. Okay, so now that all of our ingredients are mixed, we need to get the wet ingredients and mix it in with the dry ingredients. Okay, so now that the cookie dough is ready for baking, yeah, tasty cookies, we gotta get the cookie sheet and put it on the pan. Okay, so we have our cookie sheets with parchment paper on them, and we are going to put the dough into little balls, about 1.5 tablespoons big. I got my tablespoon here. It's gonna help me put it into the right shape and size. Okay, I'm gonna get ready. Now using a fork or your fingers, press them down about halfway. Now bake your cookies on the middle rack at 350 for 10 minutes. The finished product. Okay, so this was an experiment with the gluten-free flour and all, and it worked, so I'm like super happy about that. My mom will be proud. And I want to have a taste test. I already started eating it. I tried to hide it. Ew, it's disgusting. Blech. It's so good. Yeah, you don't want to try these. I want them all for myself. I'm totally lying. These are the best cookies in the world. I love them so much. You need to make these and enjoy the happiness with me. Okay, thank you for watching. Press the like button. Press the subscribe button. Sorry for hurting you last day. For more cookies for me.